Alright, Desmond's Nature Walk. Wait for me! Okay. Alright, Des. Do you want to talk about nature? What do we see? Trees?
Gemacht. Not.
Should people like and subscribe to your video? Skipping means yes.
Jump to. Yeah.
Wait a little. Des, come here. Here, you hold the camera for a minute. Let me get the forest. No. Show everyone the forest. Ooh. Yeah? Okay, back to the walk. Are there sticks? Do you suppose there's some critters hiding in the trees? Yeah. They're all snuggled up in their little critter houses. Okay, let's... Desmond, turn around. Where are we? Turn around. Where are we? With trees? Trees? Desmond, trees? Tree. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna cut for a little bit. And then we'll finish the video when we're done hiking.